With iCloud, when you buy a song on one device, it instantly downloads to all your others. Take a picture here, and it shows up there. Start a project in one place, and pick up right where you left off in another. Capture the moment here, and it's waiting for you there. Make a change on this, and it updates on that. And with iCloud, it all works automatically and wirelessly. So you always have the things you want exactly where you want them.
These days, we're all getting a lot of notifications, so we created a brand new way to handle them. When a notification comes in, it's now a subtle animation right at the top of the screen. But anywhere you are, you can just swipe down from the top of the screen and it'll reveal the notification center. And from within there, you can see all of your missed calls, your text messages, and if you tap on it, it'll take you directly to that application. You're now able to see all of your messages. And with a simple swipe, you can jump right into the app that sent the notification. Magazine and newspaper publishers and their readers have fallen in love with the iPad, and so we're adding Newsstand. Your subscriptions will be in one place and updated automatically, so you always have the latest issue. We also have a great new Reminders app that helps you manage tasks and keep on top of all the things you have to do. And it even includes location-based reminders, so it can remind you to do something when you arrive at a destination or when you leave somewhere. With iOS5, and you can tweet directly from Photos, Safari, YouTube, and Maps. And with a tap of a button, you can optionally add your location. When the original iPhone shipped, Safari was the first full-featured web browser that people could take with them. And now it's even faster and more impressive. Reader gets all the clutter out of the way. It sets the font size right, and you just read through scrolling through the story. Reading List lets you save articles to read later on. And with tab browsing, it's easy to quickly flip between multiple web pages. There's an old saying, with iOS 5, you have immediate access to the camera right from the lock screen, and you can use the volume button to snap your photo. We also added photo editing, so you can use one-tap enhance, red-eye reduction, and cropping right on the device. There are some really cool new features in Mail, like rich text editing. And there's even a new system-wide split keyboard to make it even easier to type. With AirPlay mirroring, you can play video games, look at photos, videos, and surf the web, and all of it is shared with everyone around you watching the television. It responds to portrait and landscape rotations, to every pinch swipe and zoom, and best of all, you don't need a cable. You're free to move. iOS is the world's. You can now add photos to your profile. We've made it easier to find new gaming friends, and you can even purchase new games right from within the Game Center app. Texting has become the way a lot of people stay in touch. Now, iMessage provides an easy way to send text messages, photos, and videos between iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch users. All you have to do is plug into power within range of your Mac or PC. Wi-Fi Sync automatically backs up and syncs your iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch to your iTunes library. It's that simple. It's now possible to buy an iPad, an iPhone, or iPod Touch and never own a computer. You can set up your device right out of the box without ever connecting to a Mac or a PC. We looked in every corner of the OS and asked ourselves, how can we make this better? And so this is the widest, most extensive software update ever for iOS. There is a feature for everyone out there.